Creating compelling customer success stories don't just foster loyalty, they ignite viral engagement, transforming satisfied customers into brand evangelists and driving exponential growth. Are you ready to crack the code on viral marketing? Let's dive into customer success stories or social proof that don't just tell, they actually sell. And these aren't your everyday testimonials. They're gripping tales of transformation that elevate your brand and captivate your audience. I'm going to share with you how to turn real-life victories into narratives that sing your praises and spread like wildfire. Hey, it's Tom Jacobs here. Thanks for stopping by the channel. I love dropping these sales tidbits on business growth so that you can build your practice, help more people, and obviously make more money. Now let's get into it. Crafting killer success stories isn't always a walk in the park. First, finding customers willing to step into the spotlight can be a little tricky sometimes. Then there's the challenge of storytelling itself. How do you capture the facts so that it feels in a way that keeps your audience hooked? And let's not even get started on the balancing act between too much detail and too little detail. Plus, you need to ensure that these stories vibe with your brand message. It's a juggling act, but one that's worth mastering. Now let's explore what makes a successful customer story. You got to introduce the hero. Start strong by introducing your customer as the hero of their own story. Now, when you're getting customers to tell their story, you can intermix your own narrative in that story as they're talking. You'll want to set the stage with their goals, values, and the situation that they were in. Then you want to define the challenge. Lay out the problem that they faced in vivid detail. You want to be able to paint a picture with words. What exactly wasn't working for them? And then how did these challenges mess with their day-to-day life? Make it really hit home. Find some emotion in those stories. And then you want to uncover the search. Explain why they came knocking on your door. What were they looking for? Did they go to Google? Did they ask a friend? Did they get a referral from a professional? But basically, what pushed them to find a solution? And what were they looking for? You want to really highlight what they were wanting to accomplish by going through your program. Ultimately, it's all about the solution, right? You want to break down those features and the benefits of those features that really made a difference in their transformation. You'll want to show how they put your solution into action. Was it smooth sailing or a learning curve? Were there bumps on the road? People want to see that it wasn't all rainbows and butterflies, but there were some challenges along the way. But more importantly, how they overcame those challenges and ultimately came up with that transformation. Then, of course, you want to show that transformation. Really highlight those results. What changed since they started using your program? How did other people react to them? What's their life like now versus what it was like before? And you'll want to share some of those softer benefits, like boost in confidence, a relief, the joy, the happiness that they found as well. And ultimately, you need to have that emotional impact within the story. So make sure you're highlighting emotional journey your customer went through. Did they feel like a weight was lifted? And let them tell it like that. And ultimately, a picture is worth 1,000 words. So use pictures to bring that story to life. That's why recording these video testimonials is so valuable. And at the end, you want to wrap it up with a call to action. You want to guide your audience to the next step. Whether it's visiting your site or signing up for the newsletter, but make it super clear and obvious what you want them to do. Let me bring this to life for you with a real live example of a client testimonial that I received in my fitness business years ago. The client's name was Peter. He had come in for a consultation. And during the consultation, I typically ask the question, on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the highest, how confident are you that you will actually go through the program? And usually if somebody's saying an 8, 9, or 10, that's good enough. But if it's 7 or lower, then I definitely don't want to work with that person because they're not committed to it. And I want people that are committed to making a change. So when I asked him, Peter, on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the highest, how committed are you to this program and to making a change? And he said 7. And I was like shocked. I said, Peter, 7. You know, seven is like a C in school. That's average work. And we don't do average work here, and I don't expect my clients to do average work either. So until you decide to fully commit to your program and to making a change, I suggest that we just end today's conversation and you come back when you're ready to commit. And of course, he was like, oh, wait, what do you mean? Like, are you kicking me out? Like, you're not going to accept me into your program? I was like, well, you have to have a certain level of commitment to do the program, and it's not going to work unless you're fully committed to making the change. And he was like, oh, okay, well, I'm a 10 then. I was like, oh, come on. How'd you go from a 7 to a 10 in a couple seconds? And ultimately, we had a conversation around it, and he joined the program. And in 3 months, he lost 50 pounds, 3 months. And his testimonial was just absolutely golden. He said, when I came in for my consultation and Tom asked me on a scale of 1 to 10 how committed I was to the program, and I said 7, and he didn't want to work with me because of that, I knew at that moment that Tom was more interested in helping me than in my checkbook. And something like that testimonial gave me so much joy. One, because that truly was how I wanted to work. That truly was how I wanted to run my business, was by helping people, not just by collecting money and then whatever they do, like big box gyms would have done. Just, I'll take your money, but don't show up because we don't have enough space for everybody that we sold memberships to. I didn't want to be like that. I wanted people to get real results, and Peter got real results. And when I showed this testimonial to other people, they're like, oh my gosh, that's amazing. And it really helped build the business. And with that structure of having a structured social proof and a way of being able to tell his story, I was able to then grow the business by using those testimonials. And I encourage you to do the same thing with your testimonials. And crafting a customer success story is a blend of art and strategy. It's more than just recounting facts. It's about telling a story that sticks. By focusing on the challenges, the transformation, and the tangible impact that they had, you're not just sharing a story, you're building a legacy. And these stories just don't boost your brand, they build trust. They inspire loyalty, and they can be the spark that ignites business growth. So my question to you is, what's your take on customer success stories? Have you seen any that have knocked your socks off? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'm all ears, literally. And for more insights on captivating your audience with storytelling, check out my other videos, but I also have my storybook down below as well. So check out that storybook. It's going to help you craft a story, taking in all of these elements that we went through today on this video. So make sure you're checking out that storybook. It's linked down below in the description. And until next time, have a great day.